If your community does not have a Bible they can read in their own language, if you cannot pray in your own language, you cannot sing choruses in your own language, you are still unreached. The gospel has not reached your community. So we need to wake up and contribute in Bible translation, translating the hymns in our native languages, those old hymns, so that we don't get ourselves in trouble of copyright. Let us learn to pray even in our local languages. Our local language speaks to the heart. If you want somebody to understand you, speak to that person in the language they understand, the language of their mothers, the language of their fathers. That is the language of the heart. But this habit of singing, you are a Maasai and you are singing a Pokot song, or maybe you are a Meru, even when you go for a function, you are singing a Kikuyu song. Let us make our own songs. Let us make songs in languages that we understand, the languages of our fathers and the languages of our mothers. I have no problem in singing in Kiswahili, in English, or in any other language. By the way, I sing a lot in Kikuyu, in Kimeru. I even try in Luya. Yeah, I love Kamba songs. But I pray that one time we can have a service where we can sing our local language songs from the beginning to the end. That is where now we will know that truly we have been reached by the gospel.